Hey friends, Miss Hendry here. Woohoo! Just like my little emoji. All right, guys. Today we're going to talk about the color purple. 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 Purple is one of Miss Hendry's favorite colors. It's beautiful. So here's Miss Hendry in a purple circle, excited about being surrounded by purple. All right, this paint bucket is filled with purple paint. All right, let's go ahead and look. It says here are some things that are purple. All right, so let's look. Ooh, look at these flowers. These flowers are purple. Now, all flowers aren't purple, but these flowers are purple. All right, this eggplant, it's purple. This is a purple balloon. And what kind of fruit is this that is purple? Grapes. Right. All right, so now let's look. It says drag the X on top of the object that is not purple. All right, so we have flowers, and we said that these were purple flowers, right? And we have eggplant, and we said that it was purple. What about a pig? No, good. So we're going to drag this X on top of the pig. Next we have a duck. A duck. Is it purple or is it a different color? Right. It's yellow. Very good. All right, guys, so make sure that you look around your house or in your toys and that you try your hardest to find something that is purple and show mom or dad, all right? Bye-bye, guys.